What's up, everyone? So today we're back with another short tutorial on one of my favorite clients, my blood brother Marv. We're doing a hot taper on him today. I'm going to execute majority of this haircut with the Snap FX. I'll say majority of the blending, but we're going to do some debulking with the ANDIS SUPRA CR, and we're going to pretty much carry out the same steps that we do every other time: ball border, debulk the hair, blend border, then bulk border. Right now I'm going in with that 1.5 blade, going with the grain all the way around the head, taking my time and going around his colics. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It won't be too long. Very detailed but quick. Like I stated in the previous videos, you gotta be careful how you take that detachable blade over the front of the lineup. My brother hair in the front, it grows left and to the right. Right on the right side, left on the left side. So usually I either just lightly pass through with the detachable blade, or what I'll do is just go in with the thinnest shear when it's time to line them up. Here I am right here with the one blade doing my blend border. Right above that, I'm going to start my Babyliss Snap FX, one guard open, and start towards the top of that bulk border, and then start to blend down into the blend border, just closing that lever as I go lower. Then I go in with my half guard and repeat the same steps, really making that bulk border melt together with that blend border. The hot taper right now is really like the people's favorite haircut, and I think it's because from the front, like the front profile of the head, from the front profile of the face, it gives you that look like it has a fade with no arches, but it still gives you a full head of hair, which allows you to have, 360 waves, a curly taper, whatever. But from the front profile, you still look like you got that fade. Here I am with the Snap FX, just blending down open to close, making sure that that blend border melts properly into the ball border. I'm going to do a little blend work, like a little detail work, to make sure that this beard is melted properly into the ball border. Clean up his mustache, get a little bit, open that clipper and go with the grain against his beard. He is going to end up shadowing it with a one blade. And then I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side of the head. I'll let you guys rock out to the music for a second and just pay attention to the detail work.
So wicked when the money come. Hoes coming with it when the money go. Hoes going with it in the summer cold. And shit so wicked in the summer cold. And shit so wicked. My heart belongs to you. Your love is all I need. And I gave my trust to you. And you turn your back on me. My heart belongs to you. Your love is all I need. And I gave my trust to you. And you turn your back. I can't even love you, I can't fuck you like I used to. You somebody different, you ain't nothing what I used to. This nigga could get you back in blood, that's on SUPRA. This nigga could get you back.
I wasn't able to grab the footage from the other side of the head of me using the 1.5, just making sure that the bulk border melts down into the blend border. But at the top of my blends, like towards the parietal ridge, I typically do use the 1.5 to properly melt down into the blend border, especially with wave length haircuts. It's like the perfect guard for that before you put your 1 and your half guard on. I don't know if you guys noticed, but some of that taper on that side and even in the back, my brother's hair, it grows left, it grows right. When you really want to get all those hairs down to the same length, just make sure that you're cutting directly against the grain. So that may mean twisting your clipper to the left or twisting your clipper to the right. Here we are doing the back taper, repeating the same steps. 1.5 guard open to close, 1 guard open to close, half guard open to close, and then the same thing with the clipper. We repeat the same steps with the 3 guards and then the clipper. And then after that, we just go in and do our spot work, our cleanup work.
My heart belongs to you. Your love is all I need. I gave my trust to you. And you turn your back when the money come. Hoes coming with it when the money go. Hoes going with it in the summer cold. It's just so wicked in the summer cold. It's just so wicked when the money come. Hoes coming with it when the money go.
And here I am with my thinnest shears, just prepping that lineup. I told you guys on the right side, it grows to the right, left side, it grows to the left. Instead of going in there with that blade and creating inconsistencies in my haircut, going with my safeguard and going with my thinnest shear over comb technique, which blends everything perfectly. Here I am with the one blade on the beard, shadow on my brother's beard. He wanted a shadow look this time, so we just taking the one blade on the detachable and knocking the beard down. After this, we're gonna go into prepping that lineup and prepping that finish. You know, our shaving soap, our liquid razor to dry the hairline out, and start making everything symmetrical. Going with our field goals, connect from the middle of the lineup to the right side, connect from the middle of the lineup to the left side. It's all textbook. We're gonna carry out every haircut pretty much the same. Each one needs to be tweaked a little bit, but my steps are all fundamentally the same each haircut.
Get off on Broadway, and I caught her up, dropped them in the hallway. I scrape it out the pot, I said I'm on the hallway. My heart belongs to you. Your love is all I need, and I gave my trust to you, and you turn your back on me. My heart belongs to you. Your love is all I need, and I gave my trust to you, and you turn your back. My heart belongs to you. Your love is all I need. I gave my trust to you.
Always make sure you got a perfect haircut before you go in to apply enhancement. Enhancement should always be the very last thing you do. It's the finishing touch to a haircut. It's exactly what it says. It enhances what you already have already. You should already have a perfect haircut, or closest thing to a perfect haircut. You don't want to have to go back and wipe this off and redo this because you find out that your lineup may be not symmetrical, or your beard lines may not be symmetrical. Here's the finishing product though, man. We got a hot taper, a nice clean beard. My brother's happy, I'm happy. You guys let me know what you want to see next. If there's any haircuts or any techniques that you guys want to see next, or anything that you want me to break down for you guys in the comments, please let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for tuning in.